Hi all of you, there is one more date change for a NEETSS 2025. It was previously 7th and 8th of November, then it was 27th and 28th. Now the latest notification from the NMC on 22nd October, it says it is on 26th and 27th December 2025. So, the dates keep changing, and as it keeps changing, you need to adapt to it and you need to prepare. It is at times difficult that the dates keep on changing and the students are not sure whether this will happen or not, or this date it will happen or not. But that's how it is. We need to go through the way it is that way. And that's the reason why I always say that you prepare for a primary exam as an NEETSS exam, because the NEETSS exam will help you in two aspects. One, that is happening twice in a year. Most of the students don't write the exam, the competition is less, because every student who prepares, or most of the students who prepare, they feel that the number of seats are less with NEETSS, the number of seats are more in NEETSS, so that let me prepare for NEETSS, and it is only my exit standard, that means my PG exit standard, so it is easy for me to prepare, so I'll go with that. So the reason why more than 80% of the students prepare only for NEETSS as the primary exam. Those students who come out of this thought process and they feel, okay, I can do it, it is doable, and I will work towards it, they work for NEETSS. So you need to understand, by preparing for NEETSS, as the exam happens twice in a year, the competition is less and the number of questions is also less. NEETSS is 150 question and NEETSS is only 80 question. Understand this. And also, you have an advantage of completing one super specialty subject. That super specialty is your dream. If that is your dream, why not study even right now? So that studying it, you will help you to attend one more exam of NEETSS, and also at the same time, even before you could join a DM or MCQ'S super specialty of your choice, you would have done your specialty theory even before you joined the course. So as you join the course, you can involve totally and fully only for your clinical learning. So that all the notes that you have taken right now for the preparing for NEETSS itself in specialty, that you can use along with the speed learning app material, and those videos and those notes will help you to pass on for all the 3 years of your MCH or DM program, so that you can fine tune and revise 15 days before your final year of DM and MCH. So that is the greatest advantage that you have. So look into it, think about it. Okay, don't always think in a way that has been taught to you. Just think a little more on, see to that you'll be in a great and advantageous position by doing it. Okay, so my recommendations would be prepare for NEETSS, and simultaneously it will help you to prepare for NEETSS, because 25 to 30 questions of the 80 questions comes from general feeder branch. Work on that, because working on that will help you to attend NEETSS. When NEETSS happens, write the NEETSS as well. Okay, so with this study plan, with this idea, it can have a great outcome. Okay, once again, on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed Learning App, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great preparation for the year 2025, it be a NEETSS or a NEETSS. We at Speed team are here to handhold you and assist you to help you to achieve your super specialty dream DM or MCS seat of your choice. Best wishes to you.